Hello dear friends and welcome to another video. Today we are going to draw the Tasmanian Devil from Looney Tunes, and I'm going to draw directly using a bold marker pen, black. Okay, so let's start straight away. We're going to start with his nose. That's oval shape. Just leave a bit of a white area and then color it black. Okay, right. Now the eyes. Right. Two dots to show the pupils, and then the upper portion of the eyes should be dark. To show the fearsome look of the Tasmanian Devil. Right? Okay. And now the mouth. The mouth is wide open here, so I'll first draw the lower portion of the mouth. This, and then we will draw the sharp teeth. Right, and here also we'll do the same. That's enough. Okay, and then now we will complete the mouth. Okay. And now the ear on this side, that's round in shape and hairy on top. Now we're going to draw the hair, the fur in fact, on the head. Right? Okay, so the face is done. Now we've got to draw the tongue also. Okay, now we'll draw the hands, that hand is done. Right. And on this side, now let's complete his body. Okay, so the drawing is done now. Let's color it. So I'm going to use yellow ochre again to color this picture. Most of the drawings are colored with yellow ochre nowadays. I mean, most of the drawings that I've done recently is either yellow ochre or brown. And I'm going to shade this with brown. I'm using brown to just give a shading to the already applied yellow gray so that it doesn't look too yellowish. Okay, and this time with red. And it's brown inside his mouth. Right. Now I'm going to use this skin color to lightly shade the other portion so that it doesn't look too white. Just a mild shading will do. Leaving his teeth. Right? Okay, that's enough. Now I'm going to use a black pen to put small dots here and draw a few whiskers. That's enough. So we are done. So we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Thanks for watching. I'll come with another video. I'm sorry, I just left one important thing here. I forgot to draw his tail. that was a miss. I'm sorry for that. It's okay. So we can yellow on that and brown to shade it. Right, so now it is done. Thanks for watching. I'll come with another video tomorrow. Until then, bye, take care, thank you.